Hi, it's Mickey from Undivided, and today we'll be previewing a studio apartment in this co-op behind me on 95th and Madison. Let's take a look. This Upper East Side neighborhood of Carnegie Hill is comprised of striking mansions and townhouses. Along Madison Ave is where you'll find upscale shopping, cafes, and restaurants. The neighborhood is also known for all the museums located on Museum Mile, such as the world-famous Guggenheim Museum and Central Park. Built in 1903, this landmark building comprises of 52 units in total. The building has recently undergone renovations to bring it back to all its former glory. The exterior has quite charming details along the roofline and limestone at its base. Unit 4D is considered a studio. In New York City, a studio is considered an open floor plan space with a separate kitchen and bathroom where people live and sleep all in one area. This studio has been painstakingly renovated by the current owner. Keeping the original floors, they renovated the kitchen and bathroom to bring it to the 21st century. This studio measures 12 feet 4 inches wide by 33 feet deep. The apartment itself has 4 windows in every room in the space. As we walk through the space, you will notice this beautiful large kitchen. The owner loves to cook, so this was a very important feature for them. So he fully renovated it, opened it up. We have this granite countertop, and he wanted to have storage all the way to the ceiling, so he put all this cabinet throughout. This truly is a chef's kitchen in a 400 square feet studio. The studio also has these full-size appliances, including a gas range with a 5-burner, microwave, dishwasher behind me, and a full-size refrigerator. And then over here is the newly appointed bathroom with glass tiles, mosaic backsplash, a reglazed tub with a newly added glass partition. The owner was able to save the original bath fixtures and re-chrome them. The only original parts in this apartment is the floors. The floors were saved and salvaged, and they were stained. The height of this studio apartment is 9 foot 4 inches. And behind me is the cedar-lined closet. In a studio of only 400 square feet, closet space is very important. This owner was able to outfit it fully with a shoe rack area, hanging clothes area, and multiple drawers as well. Not only that, but he also added this staircase that goes up to an additional storage on top. So this is a multifunctional space where every inch matters. You can see over here a sofa during the day for sitting and lounging in, which can also be converted into a bed at nighttime to sleep in. Then you have a desk to work from home, or you can do it over there in the dining area, or you can have your dinner there as well. On the other end, you have a sitting area. So this is how people live in a studio space in Manhattan. So, what do you think? Can you see yourself living in a studio like this in Manhattan? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this. I'm Mickey from Undivided. We'll see you as we peek into the next home.